In 1954, a poor baby girl was born in Mississippi. Today, she is one of the most powerful women in the world. Her name is Oprah Winfrey. She grew up without money, without safety, and without support. She faced hunger, fear, and deep pain at a very young age. Many people around her believed she would fail. But today, Oprah Winfrey is a global icon. She became a world-famous television host, media leader, and philanthropist. She influenced millions of lives across countries and cultures. She turned personal suffering into strength. Most people see Oprah's success and feel amazed. Few people understand the hard times behind her smile. Her story is not about easy luck. It is about hard times creating a winner. This story will teach you how difficulty can build strength and confidence. The story begins in the southern United States, in Kosciuszko, Mississippi, during the 1950s and 1960s. This was a time of deep poverty and strong social division. Life was difficult for many families, especially in rural areas. Opportunities were limited, and education was not always accessible. The environment was harsh. Many people struggled just to survive. Children often grew up too fast, facing adult problems early in life. Oprah Gail Winfrey was born on January 29, 1954. She was born to a young, unmarried mother. Her family had very little money. She lived with her grandmother during her early years. As a child, Oprah was quiet and thoughtful. She loved listening to stories and speaking aloud. She showed curiosity and emotional sensitivity. But Oprah was not protected. She experienced trauma and instability at a young age. She often felt alone and confused. She was not special in society's eyes. She was just another poor child with limited choices. Oprah's early life was marked by poverty. She wore simple clothes and sometimes went hungry. Education was inconsistent. At times, she lived in unsafe environments. She faced abuse and emotional pain. These experiences left deep scars. She felt ashamed. Ashamed means feeling bad about yourself, even when it is not your fault. Her family situation was unstable. She moved between homes. There was little emotional security. Many people expected her to fail in life. Statistics were against her. Despite the pain, Oprah had a quiet dream. She wanted to use her voice. She wanted to speak, to connect, and to understand people. As a child, she practiced speaking aloud. She read books and recited poems. Words made her feel strong. One day, she realized something important. Her voice could be her power. She made a decision. She would not let her past define her future. She would turn pain into purpose. That decision changed everything. Oprah's first steps toward change were small, but brave. As a teenager, she entered a local public speaking contest. She spoke honestly and clearly. She won. That victory gave her confidence. Confidence means believing in your own ability. She later attended Tennessee State University. She studied communication, but life was still hard. She worked part-time jobs. She struggled with self-doubt. She worried about money and belonging. In her first media job, Oprah worked as a news reporter. She was criticized. Producers said she was too emotional. Those words hurt deeply. She felt discouraged. Discouraged means feeling sad and losing hope. But Oprah learned something important. Being emotional was not weakness. It could be strength. Day after day, Oprah worked on her skills. She practiced speaking clearly. She studied how people communicate feelings. She observed others carefully. She learned from mistakes. She listened more than she spoke. Oprah developed empathy. Empathy means understanding how others feel. She also learned discipline. Discipline means working regularly, even when it is hard. Slowly, her confidence improved. Her voice became stronger. Her presence became powerful. People started to notice her authenticity. Authenticity means being real and honest. Oprah's journey required sacrifice. She sacrificed comfort. She sacrificed emotional safety. She worked long hours. She faced public judgment. She relived painful memories. There were nights when Oprah cried alone. There were moments when she wanted to quit. She questioned her worth. She feared failure. But she remembered her goal. She wanted to help others feel seen and heard. That purpose gave her strength to continue. In the early 1980s, Oprah was offered a role on a small talk show in Chicago. The show was struggling. Ratings were low. Oprah accepted the challenge. She brought warmth and honesty to the show. She listened deeply to guests. She shared her own feelings. Audiences connected with her immediately. Ratings rose quickly. This was the turning point. From this moment, things began to change. The show was renamed The Oprah Winfrey Show. It became one of the most popular programs in America. Millions watched daily. People trusted Oprah. She felt proud but grounded. She knew success carried responsibility. This victory proved something powerful. Authenticity creates connection. Oprah expanded her influence carefully. She built a strong production team. She launched her own media company. She made strategic decisions. She chose meaningful content. She interviewed leaders, artists, and everyday people. She discussed difficult topics with compassion. Her reach expanded globally. Despite growth, Oprah stayed focused. Her mission remained clear: serve people with honesty. Success brought new challenges. Public criticism increased. Expectations grew. Oprah faced burnout. Burnout means feeling exhausted from too much pressure. She took time to reflect. She adjusted her schedule. She protected her mental health. This adaptation helped her grow stronger. Over decades, Oprah achieved extraordinary success. She won multiple awards. She built a media empire. Her influence reached millions worldwide. She became a symbol of resilience. Resilience means the ability to recover from difficulty. Her story inspired generations. Oprah used her success to give back. She supported education programs. She funded schools and scholarships. Her legacy is empowerment. She is remembered as a voice for healing and growth. First, Oprah taught us that pain can create purpose. When she faced trauma, she transformed it into empathy. Second, Oprah showed that honesty creates connection. People trust real voices. Third, persistence leads to growth. Oprah continued despite rejection. Application to English learning. Just like Oprah built her voice, you are building yours. English learning takes time. You may feel shy. You may make mistakes. Mistakes mean progress. Practice daily. Speak bravely. Believe in growth. Oprah's journey moved from pain to power. Your journey is moving too. Every word you learn matters. Every step builds confidence. You are capable. Hard times shape strong people. Use challenges as training. Today, Oprah continues to inspire. Her work changed media and culture. Her life proves something powerful. Hard times do not define you. You've learned Oprah's story. You've also improved your English. Your effort matters. Thank you for learning today. More stories are waiting for you. Keep learning, keep growing, and see you in the next story.